This is seriously the quickest, easiest and cheapest everyday makeup tutorial that works for everyone, even total beginners. Prep your face, moisturizer, sunscreen and let's go. I'm starting with the Maybelline Erase Me Concealer. I'm using this in 115, but I could definitely go up to 120-25, I believe. Just patting it tiniest bit just in the corners of my eyes when I'm the darkest, because your girl has not been sleeping well lately. Be very gentle in the eye area. And I'm just blending it out with my fingers, because I believe the fingers is like the best tool you have when it comes to blending out concealer. The warmth really does melt the product into your skin. But remember to be very careful. Now we're going in with the contour. I'm using the NYX Wonder Stick and I really love it. Just the tiniest bit goes a long way. We're not doing like a total glam look today. Tiny bit of the highlighter on the top of my cheeks, on the top of my nose bridge in the corners of my eyes, because we gotta brighten them up, on my forehead, on my lip and on my chin. Those are the areas that the sun naturally hits me. And again, just blending it out with a finger. Next in, we're going in with a blush. This is from H&M, the blush stick. I believe this is in the, it's called Pumpkin Spice. Getting going a bit for this sun-kissed, sunburned look, because it's really sunny today and I actually really love that look for the summer, and I really love that look for the summer. Just making sure it's blended properly. Now in with the telescopic L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This has been my favorite for many months. I don't think I have been using any other mascara lately, so if you have other recommendations, please leave them down in the comments. I would love to check it out. Remember to wiggle it a bit. It gives you this pop. Now when it comes to the eyelashes under my eyes, I'm like 50-50 if I'm doing them or not. Today I decided to do them. Lately I have actually been skipping this step. And for your lips, tiny bit of the lip oil just to make them shiny and poppy and just delicious to look at. And there we have it. The look is done. Only 5 items. Took us no time. What do you think? Let me know, please. If you like this, subscribe and like and share. And I will see you in the next video.